As your business grows, your property list grows as well. Just like with customers, being able to quickly find the right property can save a lot of time. LawnPro offers several ways to filter and search your properties list, so you can get what you need with just a few clicks. In this video, we'll walk through all of these options. Let's get started. To begin, click on the Customer tab and then click Properties. At the top of the property list, you'll notice the filters. The first filter is the Customer filter. Use this to pull up all the properties tied to a specific customer. This is very helpful when a customer has multiple property locations and you need to find a specific one quickly. Next, there's the Customer type filter. This filter lets you sort by type based on the type of customer they belong to. For example, you can filter by residential, commercial, or any custom types you've set up in your account. This is great for when you want to see all your commercial properties in one view. Moving on, we have Default Items and Services. This filter allows you to find all properties that have a specific service set as their default. For example, if you want to see every property with a certain service, you can pull up that list instantly. This is especially useful for planning and bulk scheduling. There's also the Status filter. This lets you filter by whether a property is active or inactive. This is handy at the start or end of a season when you're reviewing which properties you're currently servicing and which ones are paused. Next is the Tags filter. If you've been tagging your properties to organize them by neighborhoods, service zones, or any other category, this filter lets you pull up all properties with a specific tag instantly. Finally, there is the search bar. Just start typing a property name or address, and LawnPro will narrow the list as you type. This is the fastest way to find a specific property when you know what you're looking for. You can also export your properties to a CSV file. You have the option to export all properties and details, or only the selected columns and properties. By columns, we mean the columns shown here, and you can edit which ones you view. You can add a new property here as well. When you select the boxes for properties, you'll have more options, such as select all, delete, change status, or bulk edit the tags. That's all there is to the property page in LawnPro. The more consistently you use tags, statuses, and default services when setting up your properties, the more powerful these filters become.